What happened today? I actually went through this entire thing off stream. Off off stream. Oh, chat. Then I wanted to go to real. Oh wait, I think I've got it open. Okay, I have to mute my computer because what I'm going to play, I can't have on here. That's not what I wanted. Here we go. Wait, am I on the wrong one here? Yeah, I'm still on the wrong one. Wait, what? Baconator Streams. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Love the name. 10 out of 10. Definitely the best. One of the best names ever. This is not where I was. This is where I was here. So we're going to do input tag. And this will be input config. And this would be get name safe. This. Then this needs to be broken up because it's too long. And I think this comes back with a string, right? There we go. Beautiful. Wait a second. Oh, yeah, okay. That makes sense. How's everybody's day going? One, two, three. These are my number keys. I don't know if we're going to keep using these. I should probably have like, I don't know. I don't think I'm using input tag any like 1, 2, 3, 4 anywhere, but we should probably do like, I think we're going to need that F game. Game. It's been a while. Sorry if I don't. It's been going well. Sorry if I don't respond. My hands are sometimes a bit full, so I can't talk. Anyways, how's you? I am doing good. Yeah, I'm doing good. Wait, what am I doing here? Input tag. Let's see. Rocket launcher or primary. Primary attack. Secondary attack. Tertiary attack. Because I think that's better than these. Because I don't think this gets used anywhere. Wait a second here. Find usage. These do, but that's fine. We can fix that. Do primary attack. Input tag or primary attack. I might end up changing these down the road as well. Input tag for attack input. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, got that. Save all. Oh, this is a problem. G input config. Wait, what? This is in AG input config. AG is in the CPP file. Wait, so what's the issue? Missing specifier. What? I think I need to delete my intermediate files. Because I think that's where they were saying that's where this was, right? Yeah, intermediate. Just delete that. And then we'll just regenerate. I did the upgrade from 427 to 5.3 last night. So I'm expecting a little bit of wonkiness as I upgrade from using the old input system to the new input system. The game itself, though, I got working, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now I just got to wait for the rest of it. And so I saw that someone in the server got upset that I asked TorqueMod about his tool / the game. Wait, what? Is it a concern I should worry about when asking questions of the game? Sorry, I just wanted to know because I was going to ask if you guys were going to make the game cross-play compatible, so anyone, my friend, until he gets it. When you say cross-play, that usually means like Xbox compatible, right? Sup, Running Bird. I think crossplay is usually what they use for. I'm not going to get mad at you for asking questions, by the way, Bacon. Who got mad at you? What channel did you ask in? So it depends on exactly what you mean by crossplay, but probably not, because we're not going to be targeting, like, as awesome as it would be to target Xbox or PlayStation. It's or like Switch or anything like that. It's inhibitively expensive, unfortunately, and we just don't have the team for it. Would we like to? Absolutely, it would be amazing too, but I don't know exactly how that would work, because like right now our networking is very tied to Steam, and we'd have to. I'm not 100% sure on how matchmaking would work. Like if Xbox and PlayStation support the same type of matchmaking that we can do in Steam, where we don't have to have a dedicated server or anything like that. So I'd have to look into that. I can tell you, as the dedicated developer for this project, we are not targeting any consoles at the moment, as much as I would love to. Specifically, I'd love to put this out on the PlayStation because Future Cop was initially a PlayStation exclusive, I think. and then it got released for PC or something like that. So it was like a PlayStation PC release, and I think that would be just be really cool to be like, yeah, we released on both, you know. But targeting consoles is quite difficult and very expensive, especially since I don't think a Torque might have access to a PlayStation. I know I don't. Like a PlayStation 4 or 5 or what's the current PlayStation? PlayStation 5? So I would love to, or like Xbox would also be. I think Xbox would be the most realistic, right? Because I think they mostly just run Windows. So no, it's a great question though. Unfortunately, not at the moment. Not without some significant bankrolling. Let's see here. It's been good. Got better when I found out one of my favorite childhood games was getting a remaster. How's yours? Let's see. My brother is really into model development. Do all right. Let's see what's my error here? It's still generating something fucky. Do this returning an F string. I'm just gonna try something here and see if this works. This might be a difference between like 5.1, 5.2, and 5.3. Missing int assumed. This does not support default int. But I can't even. Where is it in? Where is the variable? There's the U class, the generated body. Blueprint type. There's no errors in the code directly. So where is the generated error coming from? Okay, let me see here. It's the config file. No, that's a U asset. Tags. There it is. That's the CPP. I want the public. Where's the public? That's gameplay tags. There it is. Ustruct the blueprint type. Defaults only. Huh. This is absolutely a problem. There's the data assets, the core minimal. I can do that just to for the fuckies of it. So why is this being weird? Const do. For loops are relatively the same. This is the only thing. Maybe it's this. If I do this, will this just work? I'm gonna narrow this down by just commenting things out until it works. 10 out of 10. Best way to do. This actually needs to be fixed. That warning's not good. New prop input action. Object must be initialized. New prop input action. Let's see if it was this. I don't think that it's this, but we're going to try. Why does this hate me? Does this hate me so much? Its default does not support do. What's this? Deep into the brands of generated C++ code. Private. Null pointer. The only thing I can think of is that it's going to be this stuff here. I'm going to try this and we're going to see if this works because we're not using any of it now. And then we'll find out if it's this or something else. But this shouldn't be a problem because this ustruct is correct. Maybe I need to use the input action and actually import it. Actually, that might be the issue. Because I don't think it's being used anywhere. You know what? That's definitely the issue. There we go. I found the problem. At least I think I found the problem. We're gonna test this. See if it's the problem. It is you input action, isn't it? You input. It's not. This doesn't exist anymore. That's why. There. It does exist. It's just not being completed properly. Cool. Wait. Grumble, 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 grumble. I know exactly what the problem is. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's the first time I've seen it with that type of error for something like that missing. Okay, so We need the input. What's that? Let me bring this back up here. Include input action. There we go. Then let's put this back because T object pointer is better. This is just better for debugging as well. Stop and rerun. All right, now everything should just work. I probably should have uncommented this as we tried to troubleshoot. This is a much better error. Much happier. Is this just needing to be this? Maybe? Attempting to reference in a deleted function. Interesting. Bacon, I would love to be able to demo this game for you right now, but that will come. That will come with time. F input action. It's not the right file. Attempting to reference a deleted function. A deleted function. Operator. Function was implicitly deleted because a data member either no appropriate copy assignment operator or overload. This is to, let me make sure I've got this correct. Const input action. No, this is literally exactly the same. Seeing no errors there. There's the input action. I brought that in just because we kind of want it. So what's our error here? Time for some chat GPTs. Sup, Mr. Lucifer? The error message you're encountering indicates that you are trying to use the assignment operator for a type F input action. F assignment operator. Where the assignment operator has been deleted or is inaccessible. This commonly happens when the class explicitly disables copying or assignment by declaring private or deleted copy constructions. What in the blue hell? This makes sense. We're passing in by reference. So it's got to be on this side, right? What? Convert to structured binding. I think this is the section of code that is causing. Sup, Lemon? Lemon, were you bullying somebody? Keep it to yourself. I think I see the one that it was yesterday at like 3:57. Keep it to yourself, he says before making an announcement and posting in general. Oh yeah, lemon bullies both Torque and myself constantly. It's incessant. It never ends. Yeah, shut up, Lucifer. God damn, Lucifer. Why can't you be nice to me ever? Yeah, don't feel like Bacon. Don't feel like you can't say things or anything like that. Please feel free. I am not going to get mad at you. I don't believe Torque will get mad at you, and and Lemon's just a troll. To be fair, I'm a bit of a troll too. I've actually played Future Cop with Lemon. He kicked the shit out of me like really badly. He's so much better at that game than I am. Which I own it. I've got it. I've got it. I think I've got it on it. Got it on. I've got an actual copy of Future Cop. I'm just not 100% sure where it is right now. It's somewhere. I'm hopping back on Power World. Yeah, I see how it is. I give you a server to play, then you come in here and troll the shit out of me. Fuck, Lucifer. So rude. It's related to the assignment. Like you're trying to get a decent base. I don't know if that's allowed. So it's got to be this, right? It's 100% this. If I was to comment this out, it would work. Would this do it? I don't want to do this without references. Dude, you have like 2 times experience on that server. Maybe 3, I can't remember. Oh, I see the issue. I actually see the issue. I have a feeling it's this. Okay, so it's not that. So it is this one here. It's not this one here. That's good. This is also a const. We don't change this. There we go. Then what's the error here? Variable action can be replaced with a structured binding. What would this be? This would be because we're searching for it. I still have a working PlayStation 1 controller and copy. However, I misplaced the power cord when I'm moving. Did you know that you don't need a PlayStation to play PlayStation games anymore? And you can play you can play it just on a PC as long as you have a CD-ROM drive. That's how I played it. You can play it. So if you there's Arch, what's it? It was RetroArch, RetroArch, Steam, Steam. So this here, you can use this, and it will emulate a PlayStation, right? And then you can use the Steam networking to play single player games. I actually tried to rip my copy so I didn't have to worry about putting the disc in all the time, and it will not rip. I don't know why. It just will not rip, and it. So I'm about ready to give up on that idea. I also have I have a PlayStation 1 with the power cable and the controllers and everything behind me, but I still haven't actually used it. I even have like the adapter to turn it into an HDMI. So no, no, I own the game. I want to play the game. I want to rip the actual copy I own so I can guarantee that it's safe. I mean, however, I have no idea how to code. If you ask me to even write binary, I would fail. To be fair, most programmers don't know how to write binary. Plus, I'm broke as hell, so I'm just planning to save up for L.A.P.D 2195 when it releases and just continue looking for the bloody cord. Yeah, but RetroArch, all you need is a CD-ROM drive, and you're ready to go. Since you already own the game, right? You can play all your PlayStation games on it. That's how I'm doing it because I'm too lazy to hook up my PlayStation. To be fair, I've played Future Cop exactly once, and it was with it was with Lemon, and he kicked the shit out of me. It was no competition. Like, I don't even know what I was doing here. Didn't you reference a deleted function? Do they mean a deleted function? Sup, Squid? I am doing well. Do-do-do. I don't think this is going to fix it. Oh, I see it. I see another error here. I wonder if it's the 2-string. I don't think it's the 2-string. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to see if this works, right? I don't actually want this. I want this to be my FAG input action. And then this would be action. That's fine. This would be the input tag. Action dot input action? Input tag, sorry. Just it looks like fun, but I'm broke. I have no idea. It literally just came out. So if it's going to go on sale, it's going to go on sale in a long time from now. What the actual fuck is going on here? Attempting to reference a deleted function. This is bullshit. I am not trying to. We're not deleting anything. It's a double equals. It's got to be this. It has to be this. What if I don't do fast iteration? So we'll do const int I int there, and then we'll change this from this into a proper for loop. So int I equals 0, num actions plus plus I. Good. F10. Chat is fucking going today. See, Voxel's here now. Nah, son. Get on Helldivers. Become a citizen. One of my friends was playing Helldivers last night and it looked interesting. What's this wanting to do? Is this wanting to do the structure? Oh, wait. This might actually be it. If not, action. Continue. This B is valid. This wouldn't be a, no, that's a reference. Do I need to send you another friend request on Steam? Oh, maybe. I thought I accepted it already. I don't know. Send it again. I'll get around to it. Why is this not working though? If input action. Is this a U object? Would this be a is not equal to null pointer? Attempting to reference a deleted function. If this is slowly killing me. This is actually slowly killing me because I think it's this one. All right, we're gonna try this. Then we can add these in one at a time. Okay. So we know it's not this, right? Compilers. So, sometimes it feels like that. Functionality was implicitly deleted because data member has either no appropriate copy. Here we go. This is the one that will actually get me there, I think. Hmm. I think I've got Steam on my phone. If you send me the friend request, I'll accept it. I can't I don't remember seeing it. Wait. I think I see it. It was on February 3rd, right? Okay, Squid, I got one. I got it. I got it. I accepted your Steam request. 100% didn't completely forget about it. Totally forgot about it. Where the fuck did my mouse go? There we are. Define copy assignment operator. Prevent copy. Delete copy assignment operator. I'm dreaming of what the fuck is going on? Got pings going off all over the damn place. Okay. Now we should not have this issue, maybe? This is still going to be a problem here. Actually, I guess this needs to not be a const, right? This is actually going to be a problem here. There we go. Oh, I hate my life. All right, let's see here. What was the issue here? Define a copy assignment operator for if it makes sense for to be copyable, you can define a copy assignment operator for the structure. Ensure that the copy assignment operator properly handles copying of. I think this actually creates a problem though, because I don't actually want to copy it. Also, where the was I assigning it in here? I guess I was assigning it here, right? Huh. I wonder if I do this, if this will work. I think I understand what the error is, and I think I know how to fix it now. So if I take this and I just do this instead. Oh, it's painful. There. Go like that, and then we do this. There. And then we do F10. I think this might work. And if this works, I'll be able to show you guys the game. Because I don't think most of you have seen the game since the last kind of build thing, mabob stuff. You know, the thing. Am I not on Twitch right now? Oh, okay. Yeah. That was weird. You found me? That's actually kind of impressive. All right, let's take a look at this map and see if this works. Test assets, maps. So this is the current test level. Apparently it's not perfectly in sync. Look, I added sprint. I still got to fix that, but we haven't added too many of I haven't added too many of the weapons yet, but we're working on it. That's the current jetpack kind of system. This is like your fly. We're gonna iron out a lot of things. Just this very early stages. Oh, I have no idea. That involve anybody who's working on it to have played Mech Warrior. And seeing as I haven't played Mech Warrior, I have no idea. Oh, I was so close. I do need to actually fix that at some point. So you can't shoot through these walls. It's so not cool. But it's hilarious. But yeah, so this is kind of what the game looks like right now. This is the server. That one's the client. You can join up through Steam and everything like that. So I've only seen the Steam trailer, so I'm really wanting to see what the current build looks like. The Steam trailer is nothing like the current game right now because I've rebuilt everything that he did. I've kept none of his code. I'll actually show you all of Torque Mod's. Torque Mod actually does have code in this game right now, and I'll show you 100% of it. Uh, I'll show you all of Torque Mod's code that I've overridden a little bit of it, but I don't think in this one. This is Torque Mod's code. That's what we've kept of Torque Mod's code so far, and I'm in the process of replacing it. Let me pull up my UE5 and copy that code right now. Question: Will the X1 Alpha, the original name of the original, still have the ability to transform vehicle to mech mode? I have no idea. I am just a programmer for this, so I have very little say. So this is so Bacon. So what happens is this is Torque Mod's game, um, and right now it's jetpacks that we're looking at because we don't really have somebody that's capable. Like we don't really have somebody on the team because it's just the two of us. That's because you would need to animate the transformation, right? And your model would need to be customized so it can transform. And it was developed with the idea of it being able to transform into something else. So I don't know if it's something that we could reasonably do, but that's going to be up to Torque at the end of the day. So I'm essentially a contractor for this, right? So I'm IRL friends with Torque, and we've been friends for quite a while. So he he wanted to do some multiplayer stuff, and my background is development. So I was like, hey, I'll help you out. I'll help rewrite it so you can do proper like networking and stuff like that. And it will give me some more experience. So that's why I came in. But I'm not really setting the tone for anything. So Torque would be the person to ask. I think I've suggested that we focus, like we actually do that though. Everyone never liked the hover mode, which is insane because hover mode is OP. I personally, I think that we should do it. Right? Like even if we have the jankest transform sequence where it's just like, you know, it's a puff of smoke or something like that, like something silly, like you're a character gets shot out and gets picked up by another machine. Don't really care how we do it, right? But like I think that we should have an actual like air vehicle, like two vehicles. It just it strikes me as something that we should do. But yeah, whatever, it's not it's not up to me. Also, this is Torque's map, right? Like his kind of like um demo map that he was building. And then like this is my map. My map is Pseudo's test map. Look at this. Oh, it's so sexy. There's so much amaze. Hmm. I did get this working though. So this will change color to red because I'm on the red team. And then if I come over here and I shoot this guy out, he'll eventually leave. Oh, that was weird. This will change to blue. I found a bug. That should have changed by now. This was working. It's kind of MOBA-esque. Oh yeah, no, that's gonna get changed. I just put it there. It's up to Torque to actually fix it. What was it? It was um so this is the game mode that we're essentially rebuilding. I am so horrendously bad at this game. But yeah, this is the idea. Instead of having it split screen though, we're just going to use regular networking. So the police force doesn't arrest anyone? No, you murder people. They explode. You can't arrest chunks of a human being. Your left arm is under arrest. Yeah. Yeah, in LA they don't arrest you, they just shoot you on sight. Just like the real room. Yeah, we're focused on realism. Totally. The most realism. I didn't want to hit. I wanted to hit save all. I just realized that I had that muted, so you guys couldn't hear any of it. Pro level streamer. Input. Blueprint. All classes. What was it? It was a data asset, right? Wait. Okay. Yeah. AG input. That was what I had. Oh, right. I forgot to retest this. Cancel. Let's see if this fixes the problem. I think the issue was me. Oh, is this the one that torque mode had? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, so I was right. It was just that one thing that was causing the problem. All classes, AG input. Why is it being silly? AG input config, it's there. Fucking work, god damn it. No, wait, maybe I need to do... Where's the... I think it's miscellaneous, and then we do data asset. There we go, input config. DA. What was the suggested one here? I forgot to add some more of these inputs. Oops. I'm so used to being in friggin' 5 now at this point, or 4. It's starting to mess with me. Input action, IA. Oops. Do input action. Yeah, those are all correct now. I want primary attack. There we go. Save, compile here. That's not what we wanted. We wanted the here. We're going to add these in. This would be primary. Primary attack. Secondary attack. I don't know why it loves to do this. Please stop expanding it. Interesting. Tertiary attack. Right now we're going to have that as middle mouse button. It's fine. These are booleans because they're either on or off. Okie dokie. Secondary attack. Jetpack. I don't have a jetpack yet. We'll say, I guess we'll say jumping for now. I'll have to change that. I thought I added it. This is definitely a problem here. I'll have to go and fix this. At least I know how to replicate it. That's fine. To do big granting when jetpacking. And then I don't care about these, and I don't think I've got them bound anywhere. Yeah, I don't. Let me make sure I don't have this one bound somewhere. Okay, I don't. Do 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 do. Oh right, I should probably put my phone on my charging station. There we go. Do 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 do. Here. Jetpacking. Gonna add one more here, and this one's gonna be sprinting. in LAPD, if you guys are focusing on precinct assault, is the single player enemy Sky Captain making a return in single player? The player 2 would be replaced by an AI named Sky Captain who flew a fighter jet with the mech's weapons. However, I would probably be playing by myself. And sorry if I ask questions, the Torque mod would probably be better suited to answer. So the first version of the game, like the very first version of the game, will not have proper enemy AI for a combatant like that. Although that will be coming. So the main focus is going to be the 1v1 combat. The the first like the first release that will be like an early access release maybe or something like that. I don't know. Our demo release will only be able to be 2 players because creating like a proper AI to fight with and actually account for what a person would do is substantially more complicated. And we don't we need to get a there's some people that we need to get a version of the game out to in a rush. So we're gonna skip a couple things that we want. But it's coming. Yeah. We're planning it. Still not 100% sure on how we're gonna do it though. To do right now we're using blueprints. Or sorry, right now we're using the Blackboard system. I don't know if I want to keep using it. I might switch to something else. But no, it's absolutely planned. Though keep in mind, because we don't own the rights to Future Cop, we can't use any of the branding. So like we can't call the enemy Sky Captain, but we could, but or anything like that. But we can definitely allude to it being Sky Captain or some version of Sky Captain kind of thing, right? We can make reference, but we can't call it. We can't use the original names. Also, I'll be right back. I need water. Sorry about that. I am back. Oh, it's possible. Definitely won't be able to get the original Sky Captain voice guy back. Actually, that'd be amazing. Actually, who did Sky Captain? What? It's not even listed? Voice talent. Is he Sky Captain? we, I think we could probably go look at it. Maybe Lemon can look it up. Captain Skylord. You know what? It's great. It's amazing. It's like not there. Voice talent. Okay, so it's probably like one of these people. Maybe it's it's got to be one of these three people. It would be so cool if we could if we could do that. I doubt we would not be able to afford it, but that would be so cool if we could get like some of the original like cast to come back. They absolutely wouldn't do it though. I think it was because Shannon would have been the yeah. I think you're right. Yeah, that makes sense. So it would be Jerion or whatever. Yeah, I could see that. All right, let's see where I'm at here. I really wish that I could unmute my computer right now. Okay, back to C++ land. Where's our player controller? Okay, we're going to start by shrinking that. I'm going to minimize a bunch of these because we don't need all of these open. There we go. Don't need that, don't need that. Okay, so let's see here. Should be under player. And we want the control. Okay, there we go. Right, we didn't do the setup input component on here because we didn't use the enhanced input system for this. Right. Fucking hell. So they've got that. I've put everything on the character. Here we go. If I could get a working mic, I would probably try and get a career as a VA. Not that I'm good, but because people always think I'm a YouTuber named Your Narrator or something. Interesting. Okay, so now I can do this, and we want the I'm going to set up the enhanced input system real quick, and I'm going to do that by referencing one of my other projects. I just need a UE5 project. This is a UE5 project. New window. This is the last game that I made. Oh, look, it even opened to the enhanced input system. It'll eventually load up. It takes a little while to load the project. So I think there's some stuff that we have to do up here. There's a bunch of actions, but we'll worry about that later. We need the component. It's the sprint action. Where's the context? Yeah, the input mapping context. Oh, there it is. Do, 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 do. There. And then we need to come into here and we need to do the setup now. So the setup will be if you enhanced input component. Enhanced input component equals cast checked. You enhanced input component here. There we go. Now, I don't remember if we really want to do any of this, but we'll leave that like that for now. Let's save all and close. Then I need to regenerate some files here. L.A.P.D. Because we've added in some stuff, we're going to have to regenerate some files. Let's see if this picks it up. I doubt it because I don't think that it needs to be refreshed. But do reload project. Okay, let's see if this works. It does not. Of course it does not, because that would be too easy. There we go. Then we want to pretend to at least bind one, right? So we could do, this can be enhanced input component, bind action, something like this. There we go. And I think that's about it for what we need here, right? Do. So we need to begin play. This is essentially what we need to figure out here. This is our binding thing, but we're okay. Let's go back to this person's video and take a look. Actually, should I? Should I do? I don't want to. I want to put this on the player control character. Yeah, I'm going to do this on the player character. Okay, give me a second. We're gonna add another crazy thing here. I should really go back and like get move. Let's actually do that real quick here. Let's actually get move and everything switched over to using the enhanced input system here. So we want move to we're gonna transfer over like jump and move and stuff like that for now. Well, not jump, but we're gonna move. We're gonna do move. So this is the character mapping context, and then we want look action, move action. These two, and then here we want moving and looking. We can just copy these over, move these over like so. Let me just steal my move, apparently. Apparently my move is different. Do, 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 do. Input is a vector 2D. If controller is not equal to null pointer, controller is equal to null pointer. Actually, no. This actually does make sense to do it like this. Find out which way is forward. Get forward vector. Get right vector. Add movement. Okay, I got curious as to copyright policies, and I looked into Future Cop, and well, normally to buy the rights to a PS game that wants probably be on the yeah, no, there's no way Future Cop is gonna happen. um well, actually that's kind of the interesting thing. US copy copyright years. Copyright for games. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, it's never happening. No way in hell they give that up. To for the life of the author plus an additional 70 years. This is stupid. This means that nothing created in my lifetime will ever reach public domain. Right? Do actually that might not be true. Do you need to renew update copyright states? Registration is optional after 28 years, but does not provide. Huh. Damn. Yeah. I think though, like, I don't think that they have gone after anybody though. Right? Like I don't think EA has actually gone after anybody for future cop stuff. Because I think EA is largely forgotten about future cop. I'm not gonna lie, I think they forgot about it. I don't actually know if EA actually owns the copyright to it. Who owns the copyright to future cop ED? Hmm. So it was here, but were they part of EA at the time? Wait, Electronic Arts Square. Everything's always my fault with Lucifer. It's okay. Uh, it's one of those it's an interesting situation because I think that this one might be in large because like what was it? It was in like there's actually a way to like play it online. It's so expensive. Cuz there's like yeah, cuz like myabandonware.com actually has it's download available on Mac or Windows. Oh yeah, Windows here. Right? So like you can actually download this for free, right? and it's available. It's I think that might make it possible, kind of thing. Like it's one of those weird situations, right? Are even if the copyright is not defended, copyright copying unlawful in most jurisdictions. Then and where hands on an assumption that the resource required to enforce copyright outweigh the benefits of a copyright realized from selling software. Yeah. So I think at this point they've abandoned it, and it might actually be theoretically possible to obtain the IP for it. I'm sure that with how popular um, this series actually is that it's very likely that somebody has done something, tried to get it at some point. So we'll do that, and then we're going to do this, and then we will make sure that everything is saved. And then we will restart. I am curious. Like I would be down to ask them, right? Cool. Give me a second. I've got to restart this. Ugh. Wait, do I not have input core? Maybe that's it. I don't have input core. No, I do. Okay, I do. I have everything that I need. It's because I don't have the input whatever, right? I think this needs just include input action. You do anything on a I think whenever you do anything on a computer, no matter what it is, it always ends up with you saying, "Hold on, I gotta restart this." Literally anything. Uh you might not be wrong. Why is this happening now? No overload function could convert all the types. I guess I only really want one, right? I think it's triggered that I want anyways. Ah, actually, wait. Where is that bind action here? Move, there it is. Let's see if it tries to autocomplete. Yes! Fuck yeah. There we go. The reason why we don't put why we're forward declaring it in the H file and actually declaring it in the C++ file is because then things don't need to be as recompiled. Like if something touches the .h file in any way, it won't require a full restart if we add another library or something like that. Makes it's faster for recompiles and stuff like that way. Okay, so the question is, can I move? The answer is no. I will get nothing. Right. The answer here is in the character, player character. Here we go. Input. Move. Sorry. Look. Now we're gonna do this. Do I have a look? No, I do not. Sweet. Do. Okay, there we go. This might be the problem here. So what we'll do is we'll do that, and then we're going to make sure again everything's saved. Gotta always make sure everything's saved. We're going to stop this. We're going to hit debug. And then we'll be able to see what happens when we hit here. I think the problem is that like I don't actually have like the jump and everything like that set up properly. So we're gonna have to move over all the inputs, which kind of blows. Because like right now we've got a mixture of both. So let's see. We do. Okay, so we come into here. Everything seems to be working. Okay. Jump works. Okay. So let's go to the move and let's see what's going on here, if anything is going on. So it's never hitting that. Okay, so I think maybe project settings. I think it's just under input. Here's the enhanced input system. Here's input. Unreal Engine 5, switch to enhanced input from old input system. I think that's already checked, if I'm not mistaken. Here's the input. Default classes. Enhanced input component. Yeah. Okay. So the only thing I can think of is that it's not actually. Oh, this is neat. So it's not being applied. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. It's somewhat set up. Okay. Do, 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 do. Ugh. enhanced input system. Seriously? God damn it. No, this still needs to be there. Okay, I think that should be good. Let's make sure that we save all. Rebuild the project. The joys of C++. Get an error because you're missing something. Isaac CC, thanks for the follow. Much appreciated. I do not like how this is formatted here. No, I don't want to move that into the if statement. Really liked watching you, so I hope I can catch your stream later, or if you stream tomorrow. But I'm going to hop off Twitch for now. Have a good afternoon and good luck with your code. Thank you. I will probably be streaming tomorrow. I'm going to be streaming more often. Actually, no, I probably won't be streaming tomorrow, but I'll be streaming on Monday. Because tomorrow I pretty much wake up and at 2 my time, which you can see my time in the bottom corner, like right there. Wait, wrong side. At 2 my time tomorrow, I have D&D, and then I've got a raid. So I probably won't be streaming tomorrow. But I will be streaming on Monday because of a holiday. There we go. That works, but this is this is wrong. This is so wrong. Oh my god, it's so wrong. Luck. Oops. Also, thank you, Bacon, for stopping by. And I will hopefully see you next time. Don't be afraid to ask questions in the Discord. Okay, that's wrong, but better. That's better. Left, right is working. It's up, down that's not working. So this, like that. And rerun. Left, right, up, down. Good, good, good. That was weird. It feels weird. I think it's just a bit too slow is all. I think I know why. I think this needs to be like ×2. The up and down felt weird. Didn't feel good. Up and down felt super sluggish. That feels better. Everything feels the same speed now. Much better. Okay. Enhanced input system now in. Move to enhanced input system. There's so much more work to do. We can close this now. Don't need that. Give me a second. Might be wanting to take a quick break here. Yes. Okay, I'm going to take a quick break. Stretch my legs a little bit, and I will be back. I'm just going to probably grab something to munch on and whatnot. Anyways, I will see you guys in maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. All right, ta-ta for now.